Hey guys, what is up? What's up? Today, as you could see from the title, we're going to be doing squishy restaurants. I'm just kidding, guys. We're gonna be doing some a squishy school. I think I was gonna do squishy restaurant, but I was like I don't know what to do, so I'm going to be doing squishy school today. So let's get on to the video. First day of this school. I never knew what it's called. I should probably ask my mom. Okay, I wonder when the teacher's gonna come. Just take out my pen. Okay. Just wait for the teacher, I guess. Looks like this is my new class. I'm so excited to teach that kid with squishies. Let's do this. Hello, class. Hey, teacher. Today we are going to be doing some squishy math. Squishy? I thought this was a slime school. Honey, no, this is a squishy school. Well then, okay, what's the math that we're gonna learn about? Oh, you'll see about that. Anyway, take out your pen. I have it right here. The pen. No, I didn't mean that pen. What are you talking about? What? Here, let me show you. A squishy pen? Yeah, and it... Well, what am I gonna do with a squishy pen? Here it is. What am I gonna do with a squishy pen? I guess, whatever. Well, do you like it? Let's start writing some math. What's 1 plus 1? 2. Right, now choose your 2 squishies. Let me get the box. Did you seriously just give me 2 squishies? I don't... Okay. And then you gave me a unicorn cake. What am I gonna do with these? Play with them, of course. Well, isn't it class? I mean, it's not that fun. I prefer slime. By the way, guys, I actually do prefer slime more than squishies. Well, too bad, because this is a squishy school. Okay, I guess I'll just play with these. I mean, they're not that bad, I guess. I seriously don't know what I'm gonna do. Well, I mean, I'm getting hungry, so lunchtime. Great, I have my lunch right here. What's that? Just some toast and, a strawberry dipped in chocolate. No, I have a better lunch for you. Take this. Oh, okay. A toast squishy? Smells amazing, but... Strawberry dipped in chocolate squishy? How was I supposed to eat this? I need food to eat. Can't really eat squishies, so because they're made out of foam, so what do I do? And you don't need to eat. Just entertain yourself with them. Seriously? These are... I need lunch, not pancakes. Well, I love pancakes, but not squishy version. I don't want a unicorn cake. And a squishy pen? What? I never even wrote with this. Like, I get it that it's a pen and all, but... And a strawberry dipped in chocolate. Are you kidding me? Well, I mean... I'm gonna call my mom. Excuse me, what? Wait! I'm leaving. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching. This was actually really fun to make. I like how she's like, oh, you better get those squishies. By the way, I just got this squishy pen like a few days ago. It's really cute. And you can take the pen off and put it back on. Here's a squishy, and you can put it back on. Okay, so guys, this was actually fun to make. Funny and fun. So, yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed and have yourself a great day. Stay sassy means stay Squishes. Bye, Felicia.